I'm Steve Taylor. I'm a technical trainer at 3D GBIRE. Yeah, one of the things we find in additive manufacturing is when we're going around organisations is that there are skills that are still required within these organisations which don't currently exist. So one of the things that we are looking at is building the workforce of the future. And one of the avenues we investigated was how WorldSkills can help to accommodate this deficiency of skills in additive manufacturing. So by utilising this competition with Create Education, we're able to actually build up the skills for additive manufacturing that's needed for the workforce of the future. So far the competition has actually, it's been overwhelming. The skills that the competitors are actually showing is really to a very high standard, and they're very happy in the way that the competition has developed and been run. One of the things that I have noticed from the outcomes from every competitor, they are different. And that's the one beauty of additive manufacturing, is that there isn't one way of actually overcoming a problem. And each competitor's been able to put their own mark on their own designs, and they've all been successful in achieving and overcoming the problem given to them. My hope for the future of the competition is that it's adopted by more educational institutions, but also by industry and the apprentices that are coming into the engineering industry to build up the skills for, again, the future workforce. For students that want to take part in future competitions, I would definitely look at having a word with your tutors. Look at Fusion 360 and the design tools and softwares that are available for working with additive manufacturing. And if you've got a 3D printer in your college or educational institution, try and get hands-on with it. Go to the makerspace, do the after-school clubs, and really work with your tutor to show how enthused you are to take part in the competition.
I think it actually looks quite nice when you're walking because it shows that you're a university.
What advice would you give to tutors getting involved next year, and why is it important for their students to be involved?
Yeah. From a tutor perspective, having been an educator myself, I think one of the things with competitions is it enthuses the learner to actually take part, and to actually that enthusiasm builds up inside them, and it increases their educational absorbency, so they can actually absorb knowledge, and doing something that they enjoy allows them to flourish within that sector.